Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit, and another one. Hey, I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, and YouTuber. I'm Tony Hill. Hey, look guys, thanks for being here with me today. This is going to be a short video. Today I'm going to be talking about disputing your all the jewelers that we loaded up on. You could dispute those and make them go away because you know what? They're no longer effective on your credit. And then also telling you about what to do with those memberships. Hey, look, before I jump into this, make sure you hit the like button, smash the like button, hit the notification bell for upcoming content, make a comment if you like, share this with your friends and family. You guys know what I always say, don't keep this to yourself, and most of all, subscribe to my channel. Hey, welcome to Making Sense of Credit. Hey, look, you guys may have not thought about this, but a lot of you guys I know have signed up for, you know, the My Jewelers, New Coast Direct, AGE Jewelers, a bunch of these companies that no longer report to the credit bureaus. And look, you might remember before all those guys said, you know, if you were to dispute the inquiry, they would close the account. Well, guess what? Let them close the account. The other thing, well, so now you can dispute those and dispute those inquiries and get them off your credit. And do not forget to cancel those memberships if you're no longer interested in those, the items that they have. And you know, I was so reluctant for a long time. I watched those guys 6 months, 9 months, almost like a year time before I would even, you know, tell my clients about them. And people will say, Tom, why you didn't tell me about, you know, My Jeweler or New Coast? Because I said, you know what, I'm not a big fan of those. But you know what, and think about it, it came to fruition why I didn't tell them, right? Because like I always tell you guys, I typically don't tell you to do something that I wouldn't do. So I had them too. You know, I paid the $150 and signed up with them. And of course, I've canceled all of them now because they no longer report to the credit bureaus. So look, you can go after those inquiries now, whether you got 1, 2, 5. It's not going to hurt your credit anymore, right? Because those are, and really just get them deleted. If they close the accounts, great. If you, just in case you forget to close them, but you should cancel those memberships if you no longer want those products. I just wanted to bring this to you, just something that I thought about the other day that really, especially for my own clients, I've been telling that. And for you guys, I just wanted to share that with you. Don't forget to cancel those memberships, and then it's okay to dispute those hard inquiries off your credit now. Look, Tony Hill, Making Sense of Credit, always trying to make sense of credit for you. And also I'm going to be bringing you a lot more making money online, because making money and getting your utilization down and getting your credit scores up go hand in hand after you've done all this other stuff, you know, repairing your credit and so on and so forth. So I'm going to be bringing you more about making money online or offline, just so you can get your utilization down. Hey, Tony Hill, Making Sense of Credit. Until the next video, guys, be safe. Thanks for watching.